How to ensure drill parallelism on the QCTP. Loosen the QCTP by half a turn using the QCTP wrench. Lift the tool holder upward and remove it. Rotate the QCTP to the horizontal position. Then install the V-groove tool holder onto the QCTP. Place the drill you intend to use into the holder. Tighten the square head bolts using a T-handle wrench, then secure the holder with the QCTP wrench.
Position a dial indicator on the tailstock rails and make sure its probe contacts a flat, measurable surface on the drill. Move along the Z-axis over the length of the measuring surface and confirm that the dial indicator maintains proper contact throughout the movement. Slightly loosen the QCTP main bolt using an 8 mm Allen key and a 17 mm open-end wrench. Apply light taps to the area where the dial indicator shows the highest reading until the drill is brought into a parallel position.
To verify parallelism, move along the Z-axis again. Repeat the adjustment process until the maximum runout is within 3%.
Tighten the QCTP main bolt with an 8 mm Allen key and a 17 mm wrench. Then recheck the alignment.
Thank you for watching.